Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to add the product to your wishlist in the Temu application, but first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, as well as how to make money online. Let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone, and then click on the categories button at the bottom of the page. So the aim is to find any product that you like. So this can be a woman's sunglass, for example. And once you clicked on that, you will find a hard button at the top of the page on the right. And if you click on that and then click on the add to wishlist button, you have to choose a color in this case, and it is added to your wish list. And at the top of the page on the right, you can just click on the view button to check it. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Goodbye.